to make that fairly easy for yourself. So usually you're going to do measurement when someone's standing up, or you can do it when they're laying down if you've already forgotten to do it while they're standing, but you can do it while they're on the table. It's a little more difficult. And what we want to do is we want to measure three fingers down below the bra line with the tape measure. There's two schools of thought. One is everybody understands inches. The other one is centimeters. I like centimeters because it shows more of a result and it's a lot more accurate than the inches. So I'm going to go three fingers down below the bra line. And the important part is making sure you're consistent across the back. And right now we're at about she's at about 79 centimeters right there. Again, 3 inches below the bra line. 79 centimeters. There's just a little bit of gap. And after the treatment, you're going to be able to measure again. The next measurement you want to do is 3 inches above the navel. Much more difficult. Where do you rest the tape measure? So if I'm 3 fingers above the navel, I'm right about there. Again, trying to make it flat. She's still at about 79. And then the next one would be 3 fingers below the navel. And usually that's somebody that's already been in a gown or has taken their pants down to the point where we can actually get access to it. Go ahead and drop them a little bit. So 3 fingers below the navel is right there. This is the most difficult to get on a guy. And you probably can't take that measurement off of a man. So we're at 87 and a half. And then again 79 and 79. Now, because this is so difficult, there's another tool that we can use, which is called a body mass index caliper. And this one is very simple to use. They come in different models. One that doesn't have the springs on it, but this makes it consistent. And what you're looking for is you're looking to find a spot on the body. I usually go about 2 inches to the right and the left of the navel. And there's always a flat spot on the stomach right below where the body fat collects. Very accurate. And we're at about 20 millimeters on the left side. And let's take a look at the right side. I want to go about the same distance. And we're about 23 millimeters on the right side. This is a very accurate tool because it takes a lot of the human guesswork out of it with the springs being attached to it. Also, once you get used to doing it within a couple inches of the navel, you just keep going back to the same place. And see, measured 20 millimeters before, measures 20 millimeters again. Very simple, very accurate, and very consistent. Some people you're going to notice will get a result with the caliper and they won't get a result with the tape measure. I'm one of those people. So when someone does a treatment on me, the caliper is going to show that I go from 30 down to 20 and the tape measure is going to show no effect whatsoever. So how does that happen? Well, it hasn't, the exploded fat cells haven't really moved out of the body at that point in time, so they're still residing close. But this actually shows the effect of the treatment. The treatment is going to allow that caliper to close up, knowing that those byproducts and the fat cells are in the process of being eliminated. So they're much softer.